Okay, let's see how to set up this Tapo C520WS with the Android. Here I have a Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, but it works with any Android device, right? I have the camera out of the box and I connected the camera to the power adapter. I can also connect the camera to a router if I want to using a cable, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use Wi-Fi, right? The camera has some antennas here that it can connect via Wi-Fi. So here on the phone, I just need to come to the store, to the App Store, and look for Tapo, okay? So here, Android Store and Tapo. Then just look for the TP-Link Tapo, that's the one to go. Download it, install it, and then it's going to ask you to create an account. It's a free account. Just go there, create the account, use your email and create a password. Then you can just open the app, log in, and you're gonna see a screen like this one with a big button to add a new device when you don't have any. I do have some cameras here, so I have the button here on the top, okay? You just add a new device. Then you're going to look for Tapo Outdoor. In here, I come down to look for the Tapo C520WS. There we go, here it is. And now I just need to check the version, okay? You see the camera is flashing here red and green. The camera needs to be like this. If yours is not like this, you just need to reset the camera. So there's the reset button just right here. When you move the lens all the way up, you can open here this flap, and here you can just press and hold this button to reset the camera. Just like so, you come here, you put it there, press and hold for 10 seconds, and you're going to reset the camera. The camera tells that's being reset, it talks to you, right? And you can also check here the version. You see here that's asking to check the version. I'll just check here. The serial number version, you see here? 2.6. Last digit here, 2.6, right? That's what you can check before you continue here. Say it's asking to check if it's 1.x or 2.x. In this case, it's 2.x. So just select here and select wireless and continue. The camera is flashing, it's okay. So just next. And here the camera is going to connect to the cell phone via Bluetooth. So just make sure that you have Bluetooth enabled on the cell phone. And then after finding the camera, the cell phone can tell the camera which Wi-Fi to connect to. It's going to list all the routers available that your camera can see it. And then you select yours and give the camera the information with the password. You see here, that's my Wi-Fi router. I can just click here, reselect, and it shows all routers available, right? I can just select mine here, enter the password, and continue. Just confirm.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
There we go, you can hear the message, and just observe the LED is going to change from red to green. That's what we want, to have it here with the steady green. And now it's pairing the device. And then you can just name the camera. There we go. And hit next. Select a location, office, that'll be okay. Select an icon. Next again. And it's complete, ready to go. It sounds good. And you see the LED here is steady green, meaning the camera is connected to the Wi-Fi and it's working, right? Here you can select the 30-day trial for the cloud storage. You can record into the cloud instead of just recording into the SD card here. It's a good idea because if somebody just takes your camera away, you're gonna have the recordings into the cloud, right? Just putting the camera here, I'm not taking it away from you, okay? Then you come here and just dismiss this if you don't want to try it right now. And here you have the SD card. The SD card is already there. I just put it there. And there's the firmware update. The camera is going to update itself between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. Hit got it, and I'm good to go. I have the camera working just right here. See, let me just approach this. See better? Wi-Fi, Tapo C520WS. There we go. And wait for it. Wait for it. It's connecting. And there you go. We have our camera working, right? It's upside down because I don't have the camera installed yet. I can just come here to this gear and look for video and display, just right here. And I can invert the image. Then I come back and just wait for it, and I see that's working. And from here I can control the pan and tilt, left and right. So it's basically working, right? Then after this, you can explore everything here. There's a lot of things to explore. You see the camera's already detecting motion and send me an alert. You can do this. There's some features here in the camera, like alarm, like notification. You see down here, notifications. You can share the device, some smart actions with Tapo device. That works pretty well. You can reboot the camera, update the firmware from here, reset the camera from here. When you remove the camera here, you're going to reset the camera. I'm not gonna do this right now, right? So I have a lot of stuff here, and you can also work with detection. The camera is going to detect based on this zone. It's going to monitor this zone, and here you can have motion detection, person, path detection, vehicle detection, line crossing, and camera tampering when somebody just blocks the view of your camera or sprays your camera. You can work with tampering detection. The camera is going to record and give you an alert if you enable alerts, and you're good to go. There are a lot of features here, and I talk about all of them in a different video that I have here in the channel with the camera review, right? And it's good to go. If you wanna just start using it, it's pretty simple like this, and you can use on your device, okay? Your Android device. I'm using here Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, but it works with any Android device. So I hope that helps. Now you know how to have your Tapo C520WS working with an Android device. Could be your cell phone, could be a tablet, and you're good to go. So leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give your thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.